Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to my blog, and this is DJ Alvin. And today we are inviting here at Aberdeen Hotel for the Estilo Modelo Philippines Fashion Awards. At ilan sa mga models ng Di Mana Stylist Philippines ay makakapanayam natin, and ipapakilala ko sa inyo isa-isa ang mga modelo ng Di Mana Stylist Philippines. And before that, I would like to thank, of course, to Mami Annabel Balala, the owner and founder of the Mana Stylist Philippines. Don't forget to follow and like and share my Facebook page, DJ Alvin. Ayan. So, see you later, everyone. Okay, good morning. And sir, can you please tell me something about yourself?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kim Andrew Masikat, and I'm 17 years old. And my habits is playing volleyball, modeling, and singing, dancing, of course. And my height is 5'3", and my favorite color is sky blue.
Alright, so matanong ko lang, no, during pageant ng Kids and Teens Global Philippines, which is regional competitions, ano-ano yung mga nakuha mong awards during that pageant?
Best in Energetic, People Choice Award, Best in Formal, Best in Talent, Best in National Costume, Best in Interview, and
Okay, so sa araw na ito is meron tayong awards which is ang Estilo Modelo Philippines Fashion Awards. So paano mo naman pinaghandaan ang araw na ito?
Pinaghandaan ko po yung araw na ito na natulog po ako ng maaga dahil nirelax ko po yung sarili ko para sa araw na to, para sa gaganaping guesting dito sa Eastern Time.
Okay, thank you.